What is this language? Why does it look so complicated? There are too many letters, and they keep changing shape. Where do I even start? It feels impossible, but it's actually simple. You are just learning it the wrong way. Most people start with formal Arabic. In formal Arabic, you say, ماذا تفعل? What are you doing? But in real life, we say, شو عم تعمل? So when you finally try to speak, you get surprised because no one talks like what you learned. And here's the bigger problem. It becomes hard to switch from formal Arabic to spoken Arabic, but the opposite is much easier. If you start with spoken Arabic, moving to formal becomes natural. So start with spoken Arabic first, then build on top of it. And something important happens. When you can speak with people in spoken Arabic, you feel comfortable, more relaxed. And from that point, you can ask about formal Arabic and you understand it better. Even your formal Arabic teacher will use some spoken Arabic to explain things. Another problem, everyone sounds different. You hear Syrian, Egyptian, Lebanese, and you think which one is correct. They are all correct. So pick one dialect, stick to it, and don't switch too much. You understand words, but you can't speak. Stop learning single words. Start learning full sentences. Repeat them and use them. People speak too fast. Start slow. Listen to simple sentences. Then increase the speed, step by step. You are afraid to speak. Speak anyway. Mistakes are part of learning. All of these makes Arabic feel impossible. But here's the truth. Arabic is not hard. You are just learning it the wrong way. Change the way you learn and everything changes. So let me show you how Arabic is really spoken, not the textbook version, the real one. Sometimes you feel like you are not improving, like your brain can't remember anything, like you forget everything. But that's not true. Nothing is lost. Everything is being stored. You just don't see it yet. So trust the process and keep going. One day it will all click.